2 weeks ago, I went to Utah. Literally Friday at 7 p.m. I bought a flight for the next morning, Saturday at 7 a.m. I just packed my stuff, went, bought everything there, and I skied for 7 days in a row. So it's having the ability, the opportunity to do it. What's going on, guys? Ravi Abuvala here. I don't know if I can flip this around. Check this out. This is my view here in San Diego. I'm sitting here waiting on Raj to get to land at the airport. He's actually getting searched at the airport of customs right now. So he's flying in from London, my COO, to stay with me. But what I want to talk to you, so yesterday I posted on my Instagram. You guys want to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. I posted on my Instagram, what running multiple seven-figure businesses looks like in a day. And I literally just showed pretty much a day in the life of me sitting at my desk from about 8 a.m. until about 9:30 p.m. Calls, interviews, hiring people, training people, joint ventures, podcasts, and then my consulting, right? And someone messaged me, actually 2 people messaged me, was like, oh, I thought you lived the 4-hour work week life. And it's true, I do live the 4-hour work week life. But if you've actually read that book, or you've read books like The $100 Startup, which is another great book that I recommend as well, what you'll actually notice there is, like, they say in there that you're not always living the 4-hour work week life. That would be ridiculous. And I would be bored as hell if I was always living this 4-hour work week life. Instead, what you want to do is you want to have the ability to live the 4-hour work. You want to have the option to pick your stuff up and go anywhere around the world. 2 weeks ago, I went to Utah. Literally Friday at 7 p.m. I bought a flight for the next morning, Saturday at 7 a.m. I just packed my stuff, went, bought everything there, and I skied for 7 days in a row. So it's having the ability, the opportunity to do it. Same thing. I'm about to book a flight to Phoenix in a few days to do a podcast over there. And I pretty much took today off because it was an absolute, once again, let me just show you this real quick. Absolute incredible day in San Diego right now. And I wanted to enjoy it. So I just pretty much took the day off and I walked around. I did a nice little walk. I went to lunch. It was incredible. And now I'm picking Raj up. But the point of that is this, like, if anyone tries to tell you that it's going to be 4 hours a week all the time, I think you can do it. Like, you can do that and have a 6-figure business and be removed from it. And you can do that and like live a pretty decent life. I don't think you're gonna be able to have multiple 7-figure businesses. I don't think you're gonna have the impact that I want to have. I don't think you're gonna be able to build the levels that I want to build. So I'm willing to work and sacrifice that. But 99% of the population doesn't have the ability to just get up and go wherever they want to and do whatever they want. I was reading a statistic in a book yesterday that said it's like 3 out of 5 Americans couldn't find $400 if they had it for an emergency. They'd have to borrow for a friend or just not pay it. And that's scary to me. So I don't have that problem, and it's because I've set this stuff up. So just wanted to let you, if you guys ever see me like working hard, it's not that I'm living this dual life where I'm saying people can live a 4-hour work week and then I don't. It's that we all have the option to. It's like building the opportunity so that you can do it. And then whenever you want to get up and go see your mom, your aunt, go to a wedding, go snowboarding, whatever it is, you can just get up and go and do it. So just wanted to drop that in here because I got a few messages about it. I love working. I love building my business. I love impacting lives. I love shooting content like this. And the great thing is, because I have systems, processes, virtual assistants, automations, this is my job right here. Shooting this content is my job, right? Because some people are going to message me and say, hey, Ravi, I want to do that. I want to have a team. I want to have automations. I want to have systems. And that's me bringing in leads for our company. So that being said, if you do want that, shoot me a message and we can talk a little bit more about it. If not, enjoy your day. Once again, let me just show you this one more time. I love where I live in San Diego. I would not live anywhere else. Hope you guys have an incredible, incredible day. And I'll speak to you all very soon.